Guys, kain tayo. Meron tayong tuna and fried vegetables and egg, of course egg. And meron tayong beef, meron siyang parang nilaang beef. Tapos meron ding grilled beef. Wow. And of course, guys, I love it. Ay, lalaki, oh. Grabe.